Hello world, today we will make a tutorial on how to split large package files for a small USB drive. So the requirements are a jailbroken PS4, a USB drive, and a computer. And you need these files. So how to get these files? You open the link that I put in the description. Thanks for VTIA Shell for making these tools. So go to here and go to releases. You need to download the merger and the splitter for Windows or macOS or Linux. But there is a problem. The splitter that's included in this project didn't work. So I made my own version. You can find it in the Discord. So you need to make a file and put the game package and the splitter. Open the file and type in here cmd. And this command prompt will open up. What you're gonna do is drag this splitter exe and put it here, and then space dash C, and then how much file size you're gonna want for your USB drive. Example, 1 gigabyte equals 1000 megabytes. So if your USB drive is 20 gigabytes, put 20,000 megabytes. So dash C 20,000. But I don't need all that for the tutorial, so I'm gonna put 1 gigabyte so you can all see how the tool works. Dash C 1000 megabytes, and then you go to here and drag the game package files to the CMD, just like that. And then press enter and wait for it. As you can see, it's starting to split the package files. And voila, it's done. So now you need to take this package files, not package part, no, the package files and the splitter windows away. And you left with these package part files. So now plug your USB drive into the computer. As you can see, the USB drive popped on. So what you need to do is right click and then format. You need to format it to exFAT. And then make sure quick format is enabled and then press start. Okay. And it's done. And now you need to get the package merger for the PS4 in the USB drive. And open the folder that has the package split and select the most you can fit into your USB drive. So I'm gonna select half of them and put them in my USB. Wait for it to copy the items. Okay, so now the files are moved to the USB. So I'm gonna do this. You don't need to, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna delete the files that I moved to the USB from my folder. So select them and press delete. Now we're left with the files we didn't move to the USB because my USB is small. So now what I'm gonna do is unplug my USB and plug it into the PS4. Let's move to the PS4. So the PS4 must be jailbroken. As you see, my PS4 is jailbroken with gold hen. And you need a way to install the package files. So my gold hen, you can install it with in the gold hen settings, debug settings, here package source, USB, and then package installer. As you see, here is the merger package file. You need to just install it. I installed it before, but in the tutorial I'm showing you how to install it. And it's now done. You can see this is the package merger. Now you need a way to access the PS4 files. I here got PS4 Explorer. You can do it with any way, just open the Explorer. And then root access, left arrow. You see here is the files for the game we wanted and we split it. You gotta select the files with R1, just press R1 of them. R1, 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 R1. And then press the triangle, press copy. Then circle, circle. Here, go to data, triangle, new folder. You need to create a new folder, which is called PKG and then underscore MERGER. Package merger, exactly like that. So press done. I already have the folder here. So open the folder, press triangle, select paste so it can paste the files from the USB. So now we're gonna wait for it to paste all the files. Now we copied the first half of the splitted package files from the USB. Now we gotta copy the second half. So we gotta switch to the computer. And now you see this package part files that are left over, which is the splitted packages. We gotta unplug the USB drive from the PS4 and then plug it into the computer. As you see, here's the USB drive showing up. Open this USB drive and you can delete all these files if you want. So select them, delete. And now we gotta copy the second half of the splitted packages into the USB and we will wait for it to copy to the USB. Now we move the files to the USB. So we got to unplug the USB from the computer and plug it to the PS4. And now let's navigate to the PS4. So press left arrow so we can go to the USB. R1, 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 R1 to select, triangle, copy, circle, circle, data. Navigate to the package merger, triangle, paste. And now we gotta wait for it to paste or move the files from the USB to the package merger file so we can later merge it in the PS4. Now we move the files from the USB to the PS4 and all the files are set up and now we're ready to merge. So close application or exit the app and then open the package merger we just installed before. Press X. And now it's identifying all the files. And as you can see, there is the estimated time, which is for me 4 minutes and 47 seconds. As you can see, it says app will be frozen entire time. Do not worry. And now in the controller, press any button to start the merging. So I pressed X. And as you can see, it says app will not report any progress and it will be frozen until merging is done. Do not worry about it. So press X. So now the app will be frozen the entire time. When it's done, I'm gonna show you how to install the game. So now as you can see, it says file successfully merged into /data/package and the game name file. So now we need to close application and then install the package. Go to Goldhen and then debug settings. You need the package source to be HDD or all. So package installer, as you see, here is the game Minecraft story mode. Here is the merged package files as the original file in the computer. So just install, press X, and then because the file is little too big, it's gonna take some time. So I will continue with you when it's done. And now the game package is finished installing. So as you can see, here's the game. Let's run a test. As you can see, the game is working perfectly with no problems. As you see, here is the game. And now we finished the tutorial, and these videos are really hard to make. So you can support me by leaving a like and subscribe. And there is a PS4 Homebrew Discord server. If you want to join, the link in the description. If you wanted help or you wanted the splitter Windows file, you can all find it there. And just leave a like and a subscribe, and bye.